flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Prairie County and Central Arkansas, southeastern Lone Oak County and Central Arkansas, western Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hensley Island, or 18 miles north of Pine Bluff, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hazen, DeVal's Bluff, England, Fredonia, Humnoak, Prairie Center, Parker's Corner, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Hallsville, Allport, Coy, Streeton, Slovak, Tauville, Color, Tomberlin, Center Point, Seaton, Blakemore.